Okay, so this is a double-ended periosteal elevator, and so it has a smaller end and a bigger end. Depending on where I am, depends on which side I use. I tend to use a smaller one more, but any instrument you hold, you generally want to hold with your fingertip very close to the instrument tip, because if you slip, that's the distance you're going to slip. And so when you've previously made your incision in the gingiva, you place the tip of the instrument into that incision, and then you lift your hand up, and then you rock the instrument back and forth, kind of a wiggling motion. You wiggle, and then you lift it up, and that pulls the periosteum off the surface of the bone, which is what your goal is, because when you pull that flap up, it's not going to be very mobile, so you'll have to come back in and cut the periosteum to release the flap. But when you're in a place kind of like in here, it doesn't show up on this model as well, but you'll get kind of a little trough. Instead, you can't come straight up in here, so you'll have to come from one edge, take it this way, come from the other edge, and hit it that way to avoid tearing the flap.